Someone on the drone subreddit recently asked, I have a DJI Mavic 3 and a Nevada 1. I'm going on a cruise. Which one should I bring? It's a good question, but it's part of a much bigger one, which is how do you decide which drone to bring on a trip, especially when you're limited on space, time, or flying opportunities, whether it's a cruise, a backpacking tour, or a road trip. Choosing the right drone and knowing the rules can literally make or break your flying experience. In this video, I'll walk you through how to pick the right drone for your kind of travel, so you don't waste space, stress out at customs, or accidentally break a rule that gets your drone grounded, or worse, confiscated. I'm Adam with UAV Coach, a leading drone education company aimed at helping you fly safely and legally. The first thing to ask is, can you actually fly where you're going? Some places look like drone paradise until you read the fine print. In the United States, you can't fly in national parks, no matter how epic that waterfall looks. And if you're on a cruise, most cruise lines don't let you fly from the ship at all. Some like Disney and Princess won't even let you bring one on the ship, not even in your luggage. Here's a table you can screenshot that shows drone rules for major cruise lines. And even if your drone makes it on board, you'll need to check local drone laws for every stop on your trip. Some countries ban drones entirely, and others might require permits or only allow flights in designated areas. And in places like Cuba or Morocco, bringing a drone could mean having it confiscated at customs. Now, assuming you're clear to fly, what's the best drone to bring? Well, if you're fortunate enough to have multiple drones, first start with size. Smaller drones are easier to travel with, draw less attention, and are usually subject to fewer restrictions. Many countries are far more lenient with sub 250 gram drones, which makes them ideal for sightseeing, hiking, and spontaneous flying moments. Also, think about setup time. When you're on the go, hopping off of a bus tour or walking through a busy market, every minute matters. So a drone that's quick to deploy means more chances to actually fly. And don't forget to consider your comfort level. If your more advanced or bigger drone stresses you out with bulky batteries or custom red flags, it might not be worth the hassle. The best drone is the one you'll actually use on your trip. Now, let's get into some quick travel tips. First, keep your drone in your carry-on, not checked luggage. Know the TSA battery rules if you're flying. Again, most batteries have to be kept in your carry-on. Store your drone securely when not in use. And yes, get drone insurance, especially when traveling abroad. If you're heading out and can't fly your drone for part of the trip, use that time to scout, gather location ideas, take reference shots, or just enjoy the scenery. The main idea when traveling with your drone is to do your homework, so prepare well and fly smart. And if all of that information felt overwhelming or you're still unsure if your destination allows drones, I'd first recommend that you check out our free master list of drone laws organized by state and country, which you can check out down below in the description. If you want more tips on how to pack or how to handle airport security with a drone, check out this video here or linked down below. Let us know if you have any other questions related to traveling with drones, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.